If you identify as Black American, you need to do your genealogy research. I know some of you guys are just now coming into this information about how Black Americans were here before Columbus, and y'all just like, oh, cool, okay, I'm just going to repeat that. But it's time to really start digging into your genealogy ancestry. And I know many of you are like, oh, well, it doesn't really matter because Black people are everywhere. Well, it does matter. It does matter knowing what nations you come from. It does matter knowing the name of those nations. It does matter knowing the culture of those nations. Because, see, people want to put racial classifications on everything, like indigenous nations didn't have our own cultures, languages, etc. They want you to forget your true identity. And that's why so many natives get so mad and angry when me and other people talk about doing your genealogy research, because they want you to feel like you're only from Africa and that's it. There's no family history. There's no genealogy research for you to look into. Just that you're African and a descendant of a slave, and that's it. I know you guys are way more smart than that, okay? So I've came into this information since 2015. I started taking my genealogy research seriously in 2016. And I went from being pro-Black, because obviously that's what I was taught. I was taught that I was, a Black woman. But once I did my genealogy research, I found out I come from Choctaw Nation. And then I was also talking to my elders, and I also have Cherokee ancestry, Ishok ancestry, and I also have French ancestry as well. I'm very, very upfront about my ethnic backgrounds and the nations I come from. So just keep in mind, there are books out there that can help you be successful in your genealogy research. How I have my own book, and it's called Discovering American Genealogy, which you could get on Amazon, okay? It doesn't have to cost you an arm and a leg for you to do your genealogy research. You just need to know where to look, okay? And in my book, I give out a list of records to look into by state, okay? So all 50 states, I give at least 5 genealogical sources to look into to start or further your genealogy research. The time to do your genealogy research was 20 years ago, okay? We are living in a digital decay. These people are deleting information off the internet at the speed of a blink. So don't just allow people to be like, oh, well, just Black people are everywhere and that's it. No. You need to reclaim the names of the nations you come from. Because the natives, they want you to think that you're doing native erasure. But in reality, if you was to find documentation of your ancestors descending from American Indian nations, that means they have to share the resources. And they don't want to do that. They already don't want to give freedmen's citizenship, even though it was, put into these treaties that they have to give freedmen's citizenship and just do right by freedmen's, and they still don't want to do that. So if they don't want to do that for freedmen's, then we already know how they're going to treat Black people reclaiming their indigenous ancestry. So just keep that in mind.